So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that have a figure PSR is a triangle and PM is equal to MS is equal to MQ. These three sides are given to be equal and SR square is equal to PR times QR. SR square is equal to PR into QR. This is given. So if these two statements are true, which of the following statements are true? That's the question. Now let us mainly first look at this statement. What is the meaning of PM is equal to MS is equal to MQ in terms of angles? So if these two sides are equal, that means these two angles are equal. So if this is X, this is also equal to X. Next, so if these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. That is, if this is Y, this is also equal to Y. Now you can find the relation between X and Y if you want, because if this is the exterior angle, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles. So this will be equal to 2x. So from this triangle, 2x plus 2y should be equal to 180 degrees. This implies x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So this angle plus this angle should be equal to 90 degrees. That's one statement that you can make out of this information. So next information is a very critical information. So what this information is saying is RS square, this length square is equal to PR, this length into QR is this length. So this length into this length is equal to this length square. Does this relation look familiar? Does this relation look familiar? Yes. This is a very familiar relation in circles. So if you take a circle and from an external point, if you draw any secant, if you draw a secant from an external point R, if it meets the circle at Q and P, so RQ into RP is equal to the length of tangent whole square, RS whole square. So this length into this length will be equal to the RS whole square. So this is the same relation as given in the question. So here in a circle, if you take RQ into RP, that will be equal to the length of tangent whole square. So if you relate these two statements, what you can say is, so if you draw a circle, passing through P, Q and S. So if you can draw a circle passing through P, Q and S, RS will be the tangent to that circle. So here in the diagram I am not able to draw it nicely, but theoretically if you can draw a circle through this P and S, this SR should be the tangent to the circle because RQ into RP is equal to RS square. So a circle through P, S and Q has RS as the tangent. Now if I draw a circle through P, Q and S, can you see that QS will be a chord and RS will be the tangent. The angle between the tangent and the chord will be equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That's the theorem that you have in circles. The angle between the tangent and a chord will be equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So if this angle is QSR, angle QSR will be equal to X. That is angle MPS. That is equal to angle MPS. And X is also equal to this angle. So that will be equal to angle MSP. So effectively angle QSR, the angle between the tangent and a chord of a circle is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. But because these two sides are equal, this angle is also equal to this angle. So angle QSR is equal to MSP will be the right answer to this question.